Hi everyone, welcome in Python programming. So today we are doing the one of the library that will be help you to understand the correlation between the variables between the features. So that is library is called the PHIK. So PHIK library is used for calculating the PHIK correlation coefficient, and which is a correlation measures that works well with the categorical data and the mixed data type like a numerical. So basically the correlation, if you want to understand the correlation, how it's work, how the is a non-linear relationship or is a category variables, so you can do with the PHIK. So PHIK is very useful for that one, and you can easily get the all the metrics using this. So and let's start with the basic. So first I'm installing the library. So pip install PHIK, and here the documentation of PHIK that is available in the Python. If you search in pypi, so you can see here the this is the PHIK library. All the information are here. This released version is 0.124 in Jan 2024. It's recently released. Now, so I installed this library. Now, how it will be work? So let's suppose first of all we have some data. I have one data, and the data is contained the features this is a insurance data I have, so that I'm importing here. Okay, so simply I'm writing here. First of all I need the pandas here, so pip install pandas pd and phik. So I have the both libraries. Then I'm going for the phik correlation matrix. So is so we need to import from phik, and we need to import phi. We need to import the report, because we need a report, and we need the resources. So I'm importing the both one. So this is the reports and resources we want. So I will explain what is a resource and what is the resource is there. So first we need to create the correlation. So same like we are creating the correlation using the pandas. So same I'm writing the core is a one of the variable, and my data is uh, we need to first import the data. So read Excel. So my data is here. Then next we will go for the next step, and that next step is correlation. So we need to create the correlation. So what is df.phik matrix? So that will be create the matrix. Okay, now you can see here the matrix is like we have columns like age, bmi, children, non-claim bonus, charges. Okay, showing like this. And then we need to create a report. Okay, so report is contain everything. Okay, so report, correlation report, and my data frame. So this is my data. Now you can see here it's very easy, because we write it only 2-line code, and they given us the all the correlation of my data. Okay, so let's see here. So what they given us? So they given us the interval columns are not set, because yeah, it's not there, and they showing us the the correlation. Okay, you can see here is a correlation is showing that how the gender is connected with the smokers, or with the charges, with the no claim bonus, and how it's related. So let's, this is all the report. We have all the text here, and also we have the visualization. Now you can see here the correlation simply because we can see here it's charges, and the smokers is correlated with the charges is correlated to age is also a factor for the insurance, because this is the insurance data. So you can easily understand the smokers is very high. So smokers and age is matter. Okay, if insurance will be high, your charges will be high. Oh, sorry. If smokers are higher, and your charges will be high. If smokers is less, if no smoker, so my insurance charges is less. If my age is increased, my insurance charges is increased. So it's showing, it's like this data, and we can easily understand how the things are going on in this data. And we can understand like this. And you can see here we have this is showing the charges is one and smoker is one, so it's showing the core is showing here the main relationship between the data, like charges and smoker is very interconnected. Okay, if one value will be changed, other value will be changed. Okay, so if smokers is not there, so charges will be less. Okay, and here we have a significance of everything, like is 52% is 30% is here. Okay, BMI is also work, and 31% is this is work. So total if you see is uh, 62 is here, sorry. So if you can see if how they are connected with the each other. Okay, so PHI is very simple library that you can get easily correlation, and is a powerful tool for analyzing a correlation data set with the mixed data types. Its ability to handle non-linear relationship and categorical data. So using a PHIK, we can lead more accurate, insightful analysis and compare with the traditional methods like the complex data set you can easily do. So this is all about how the PHIKs work, how it is useful, and how we can use in our simple data. Now you can see here, this is showing the outliers of the daily uh, analysis you're doing in the Python, or as a data analyst or as a data scientist. So this is all for today. Thank you guys.